The Inter-Party Advisory Council (IPAC) has called on the National Assembly to urgently initiate the process of amending the new Electoral Act by expunging the contentious clause in Section 84, subsection 12, which makes it mandatory for political appointees to resign from their positions before participating as delegates or political party congresses and conventions or as aspirants to elective offices. The IPAC National Chairman Yabagi Sani, who disclosed this at a news conference in Abuja, said, "The clause runs contrary to the provisions of Sections 40 and 42 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria on the inalienable fundamental rights of every eligible citizen to participate in the electoral processes." He said the amendment will bring the Act in tone with the Constitution, which stipulates that political office holders are only to vacate their positions or appointments 30 days before the elections.
We share the views of the President on the clause which makes it mandatory for political appointees to resign from their positions before participating as delegates at political party congresses and conventions, or as aspirants to elective offices. To us in IPAC, this clause runs contrary to the provisions of Section 40 and 42 of the Constitution on the inalienable fundamental rights of every eligible citizen to participate in the electoral processes.
The IPAC chairman noted that the recent signed Electoral Act has finally put to rest perennial issues of electoral malpractices and manipulations that has bedeviled Nigeria's electoral system, adding that with the latest development, the nation's electoral process can measure up to the global best practices where citizens are empowered to elect their representatives and political leaders.
The Inter-Party Advisory Council is advocating that all hands must be on deck to ensure that the revolutionary and transformative provisions of the Act go beyond mere paperwork to realities in the conduct of elections in the country. In this regard, we enjoin the relevant authorities to abide by the provisions of the timely appropriation and release of funds to INEC to make for early and adequate preparations.
The IPAC chairman, while commending President Muhammadu Buhari for appending the Electoral Act, said, "With the new law, the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) will change the political landscape of the nation positively." Ugochi Obaja, CNN News.